Today we are going to learn about how we can come up with the expression from a given truth table. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. First of all, let's talk about minterms. Okay, let's talk about the minterms. Yeah, let's talk about the minterms. So in minterms, what we are going to do is we are going to use the sum of products method. Okay, we are going to use the sum of products expression. Okay, so when you use the minterms, the output will be given in a sum of products form, not POS, in a sum of products form. Okay, and the first step is always standard sum of products. Okay, the first step is always the standard sum of products. So what do I mean by this is you will just write down a set of equations, right? I mean, set of variable products, right? So this one will always be in SSOP form. Okay, this will always be in SSOP form. Then we can use the algebraic clause that we have studied. Okay, 3a, 3d, and car laws to finalize the final form. Okay, the simplified form. So the first step will always be in standard sum of product form. Okay, so as we know, okay, normally what we do is we look at the we look at the circuit, okay, then we use the 3s rule to come up with the expression, okay, come up with the expression. But here, what we are going to do is, we are going to use the truth table to come up with the expression, then we are going to draw the logic gates, okay. So, first of all, let's look at this question, okay. I'm going to draw the truth table of the first question, so let's look at that. So if you look at this, yeah, so if you look at this, you can clearly see there are three inputs, okay, A, B, and C, and there are outputs, okay. The outputs is given for each combination of input, okay. So what we are going to do here is, okay, we are going to choose all the patterns or all the combination where the output is equals to 1, okay. So that's what we call the min term. That's where we write down the min term. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. The outputs are 1 here. So these terms, okay, if we use these terms, we call them the min terms, okay, we call them the min terms. So how do we use this? Well, if there is a 0, okay, if there is a 0 in the combination, that means that signal is not present, okay, that signal is not present. So what we can do is, okay, we can say that is A bar, and here we have 0 again, so it will be B bar dot. Obviously we are multiplying because we need products, obviously. Then we have C. Since this is 1, that means the signal C is present, so we can say that is C, okay. And similarly, we write down the minterms for each of the given ones, okay. So here if you see, I think there is a mistake here. Why did I put 0 1 0 1 here? It should be 0 0 1 1, okay. So this should be 0 and that one should be 1, okay. So we have to write down the expression for all the minterms. So here we have 1, so which means we should look at this combination. Here we have A, not B, we have C, so it will be A B bar C. Similarly, if you see here, A is present, B is present, not C, so we have A B C bar. And similarly here we have A B C, so the output will be ABC. Okay, so we have chosen the minterms for the expression. Okay, we have chosen the minterms for the expression. So what will be the expression? Well, what you have to do is you just have to add all these signal combinations. So Z will be equals to A bar B bar C plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A B C. So if you look at this, you can clearly see all the signals in the domain are present in every single product, which means this is in SSOP form. Okay, SSOP form. Why? This is sum, okay, of products, and it is in the standard form. So this is why it is called SSOP. Okay, so this is the expression. This is the expression. Now you can actually simplify it. Okay, now you can actually simplify it. So we have the Boolean algebra. So what I can do is, here B bar C and B bar C are common. Okay, so I can take them as a single, a factor. So it will be A bar plus A. And similarly here, we have AB common. So we will take that as a common factor. So it will be C plus C bar. Okay, we know A plus A bar is equals to 1. Okay, so this is B bar C dot 1. So the output will be B bar C. And then here we have AB into 1 by C plus C bar is equals to 1 according to inverse law. So we have AB here. Okay, well, hereafter we can't do anything, right? We can't do anything. So the final simplified expression for this specific output Z can be given as AB plus B bar C. Okay, AB plus B bar C. That's all. Okay, that's all. So this is how you have to come up with the expression. This is how you have to come up with the expression. So this is the question 1. I'm not going to draw a circuit here. Okay, that's I'll give you it as a homework. Okay, try and draw the expression using basic gates. Yeah, try using the basic gates. Now we'll do another question. Okay, now we'll do another question. So if you look at this question, okay, here also we have 3 inputs or 3 signals and the output is given here. First of all, let's write down all the minterms. So this is a minterm, this is a minterm, all the others are minterm. Why? The output is given as 1. Okay, here we are looking for the output as 1. So what's the given minterm here? Well, that will be A bar, B bar, C. Okay, let's just write them together. A bar, B bar, C. And this one is A bar, B, C. And this one is A, B bar, C bar. Next one is A, B bar, C. Then we have A, B, C bar. And then we have A, B, C. Okay, so Z can be given as, okay, so Z can be given as A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B, C. Okay, so this is what we have. Yeah, so this is what we have. So what am I going to do now? Well, what can I do here? So make a whiteboard here, that it will be easier. So here, first of all, I think we can use the we can use the distributive law. Why? We have A bar C here, A bar C here. So I'll take A bar C as a common factor. So that will be B bar plus B. And then what I can do here is we have B bar and A. So we can take A B bar as a common factor. So it will be C plus C bar. And similarly, we can take AB as a common factor here, which will give us C plus C bar. So here you can see this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 according to inverse law, and A bar C into 1 is equals to A bar C according to identity rule. So I'm going to write that down directly. So plus A B bar plus AB. Okay. Now what I can do is here we have A as the common factor. So I'm going to take A as the common factor here. So A plus A into B plus B bar, which is equals to A. And finally, I will get A plus A bar C. Okay, I will get A plus A bar C. So which means the output will be A plus C according to the redundancy law. Okay, A plus C according to the redundancy law. So I hope you understood how we can come up with the final simplified expression from the given expression. Okay, so first of all, this is very simple. Okay, look for the ones in output. Okay, looks for the one in output, and then write down the minterms. Okay, write down the minterms and then write them as the standard sum of product expression for output, and then use your knowledge on Boolean laws to simplify the circuit. Okay, so actually this entire circuit, okay, this entire circuit reduces into an OR gate. Yeah, you have A, you have B, and sorry, you don't have B, you don't need B actually. You have A and C, you just pass them through an OR gate. Okay, you just pass them through an OR gate and you will get Z without any problem. Okay, you will get C without any problem. So instead of having all this big truth table, you can just have A, C, Z, and the A is 0, 0, 1, 1, C is 0, 1, 0, 1. Output will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this is the beauty of using minterms to find the output. Okay, find the output expression. In the next video, we are going to do a scenario. Here, one or more scenarios where you can use minterm method to find the expression. Okay, so that you can build circuits, logical circuits according to the given scenario. So stay tuned.
Thanks for watching this 17th video in the Logic Gate series. If you found this step-by-step guide to solving truth tables using minterms helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Check out the full playlist to master Logic Gate and follow us on Instagram. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye-bye.